Hello, welcome back to the channel, guys. In this video we're working on this Ford Fiesta. If I'm not mistaken, it's a 1 litre. I'll double check, but I could be wrong. And what we have is P2122 Throttle pedal position sensor switch D circuit low. Now if you're getting this, symptoms, I don't know, sometimes you might have a loss of power, you might not, you might be full power there, or you might have the engine management light on, or it might just run fine, you know, whatever. But if it's stored and it's probably causing you issue, I'll show you where this is anyway. So this is to be found at the back of the engine here. There. It's probably not the easiest thing to work on because it's at the back of the engine. It's a bit of a faff, but still not hard to work on if you ask me. It's right there. Recommendation. What we would say is, there's a few way around it. Check the wire into it. Make sure that there's power going to the sensor. All fine. If that's all okay, what we would say is, after that, check the unit itself. See if that's functioning. If it is, it is, I guess, but it might be faulty in this sense, because you've got to understand there's a lever in there that opens up, and this could be triggering it, in other words. So reality, and it's also it clogs up sometimes, so clean it, put it back, see if that works. If that works, good. If not, then just buy an OEM original, and that should hopefully. So that's where we recommend, or even like this one here. So for example, the symptom on this is there's like a sort of misfire type. If there is, like we said, get an OEM original part number, original, and make sure it is original, because if it's not, you may be in the same boat again. So what we recommend, put it on. It'll be a case of just plug and play, in other words, and then that should hopefully cure it, and then just do a full scan and clear, and that should hopefully cure it. But yeah, guys, make sure it's OEM, but check the wiring and whatnot to it, and then change the part.